How are you, buddy?
Good to meet you,
Nice to meet you, my man.
Thanks
Thank
for
you so
coming
much.
over.
Man. No, you're very welcome.
Yeah,
But
you came recommended, so.
just the battery needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
No, you'll be very happy.
The one thing I will say is that because I'm courteous on the phone, you responded with nothing but courtesy, and like
appreciate it, my
because
friend.
I'm a small business owner and I'm assuming you run your own.
Absolutely, my friend. Absolutely.
You know what? I honestly
appreciate
like
you,
when
my
people
friend. Thank you
respond
so
like
much.
that, you get a good feeling.
I appreciate it, buddy. And I hope we can connect further in the future as well, my friend. I
so-
really appreciate it.